The survey says if brake hardware is available, you will order it. But how do you know if the brake hardware is available? Well, we're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Carlson, manufacturer of disc and drum brake hardware, electric wear sensors, and brake lines. Visit carlsonqualitybrakeparts.com for more information.
In a recent survey by Carlson, they found out that 90% of the time, if you know that an extra hardware kit is available for the brake pads that you are installing, you would order it. The greatest hurdle of all is knowing that it's available for that application. In other words, the guy at the parts counter, he may not be prompted that hardware is available for that vehicle when you order those pads, or he may never mention it to you. Also, in some computer programs for parts, it's not going to pop up right away. You're going to have to go look for it. So the next time that you don't want to get stuck with the hardware that's with the brake pads and you need something like a guide pin or a guide pin boot, make sure that you check the electronic catalog or quiz your counter professional to see if it's available. This way you're performing a better brake job that has a lower possibility of a comeback due to noise or premature wear. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.